Someone tell me why this is. Why is this helicopter dumping fire on not caught on fire forest?
Transgender with furry boobs on the front row at fucking CMAs.
One of our cars. I've had it easy to get in and out of.
Oh, now that is very nice.
Oh, beautiful. See, that doesn't look.
I can understand that.
Yeah,
I got my boots, I got my hat, I'm bringing country back.
Was a rolling stone, no wonder I roll so far away from home. Don't need let nobody close to me, cause I'm always feeling like there's something wrong. Family got me paranoid that out the blue somebody a tell void. So big inside my heart that suffocating something that I can't avoid. Walls bigger than the walls of China. I took down all your pictures and I'm about to cover up the tattoos, hurting cause they all remind us of something I never see again. Lately don't know what I'm believing in. I'm just trying to find peace, and these folks are here dramatic as CNN. Peace on the left side, deposit slip came from Chase. Never know when the Reaper is coming to get me, so ain't a single day to waste. And motherfucker, I done wasted enough of my youth years. I had the odds stacked against me, I should have been broke, the truth is I done shit with $1 million deals.
Just wearing a mask, you know you're sparing the facts. The bully from Camp Crystal Lake, I don't bury the hatchet, I carry an axe. Roll up the dope and insert the flame, sipping liquor to cure the pain. With the caddy, it's worth terrain, never utter my words in vain. He was dead till the surgeon came, I can wrestle a hurricane. Ain't no mercy, I murk through lanes. Play bitch, I merging lanes in this bitch with the murder game. Same gun that you come for bang, nigga.